In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a phonetic guide, or Pinyin, to your Chinese characters in Microsoft Word. This can be quite useful whether you're learning Chinese or preparing documents that require pronunciation assistance. So let's dive right into it and make sure we cover all the details you need. First, you'll want to start by opening up the Microsoft Word file that you'll be working with. Make sure you have it ready on your screen. Once that's done, the next thing you need to do is ensure that the Chinese characters you wish to add a phonetic guide to are properly set up in the document. They should be clearly visible and correctly formatted within your text. If you haven't yet typed them up, go ahead and do that now. Now, with your Chinese characters ready, you'll need to select them. Simply use your cursor to highlight the characters that require the phonetic guide. With these characters selected, look towards the top of your screen for the font group, a set of tools usually located on the Home tab. Within this group, you should find an option labeled Phonetic Guide. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click this, a dialog box will appear on your screen. The interface might look a little unfamiliar at first, but don't worry, it's designed to be quite straightforward. You'll see your selected Chinese characters displayed as the base text. Just above, there's a space for Ruby text, which is where you will input the corresponding Pinyin for pronunciation. Typing in the correct Pinyin is essential, as this will be what guides anyone reading the document on how each character should be pronounced. Once you've entered the Pinyin, you might want to take a moment to adjust any additional settings to suit your preference. These settings can include the size of the Pinyin text or its alignment relative to your Chinese characters. After you've finalized these adjustments, all that's left to do is click the OK button. This will ensure that your changes are applied, and the phonetic guide will now appear above your selected Chinese characters within the document. It's a neat feature, really, offering a visual cue to aid pronunciation, which can be especially helpful for educational or linguistic work. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully added a phonetic guide to your Chinese characters in Microsoft Word. This simple yet handy tool is now at your disposal, making your documents not only informative but also more accessible to those unfamiliar with Chinese characters. Thanks for joining today. I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to check out more of our videos for other useful tips and tutorials.